Okay, today's video lesson is over section 8.5, which is the area of a circle. We are going to do an investigation to find the area of a circle. So you will need a compass and a pair of scissors to do this, and maybe even some tape. So I want you to use your compass to make a large circle, drawn just like this. So take a white piece of paper and a compass to make a large circle. If you don't have a compass, maybe you could use a plate or anything circular to make or copy a circle onto your piece of paper. You then want to cut out your circle, fold it in half, fold it in half, fold it in half, and fold it in half until you get something that looks like this little piece of pie. You may need to put this video on pause to get your circle folded correctly. Once you get it all folded, then I want you to unfold it and use the crease marks and use your scissors to cut out each individual little piece of pie. So you will cut all of these out. There should be 16 of them. Then I want you to take your pieces of pie and line them up and tape them together like this picture here. I want you to bring this with you to class tomorrow, and we'll talk about it some more. And I want to check to make sure that you did the assignment. Okay, so now we're going to look at this. These pieces cut and put together to make this parallelogram, or what looks close to a parallelogram, takes up the same area as your circle, your original circle did. But we're going to use the parallelogram to find the area of a circle. We know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So looking at our parallelogram, what would the length of our base be? So let's think about that. Our base, either side that you look at, that side or the bottom side, is the edge of our circle put together. Now one side, the base of this parallelogram, is really only going to be half the circle because the other half is down here. So what is the circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. So if the circumference of my circle is 2 pi r, this base here is going to be half of that. So base equals a half of 2 pi r. My 2's cancel, so the length of my base will be pi r. The next thing I need to know is the height of my parallelogram. So this length going straight up and down. Well, that length is going to be what the radius of my circle is, because each one of those is the length of my radius. So my area of my circle will be my base, which is pi r, times my height, which is r. So I get the formula of pi r squared. That is conjecture 80. The area of the circle is given by the formula blank. Fill in the blank and get that in your notes. I would like for you to do on page 451, number 1 for class tomorrow. I'll see you then.